Hello guys, this is a video of a review of this mini Workbench Organizer. This is from Amo. I'm going to try it because I have lots stuffs like this, animals, chippings, wet effects, okay. And when I am doing weathering, we got to have a little space when we are working. I put my brushes in jars like this, but if I can get this more organized, it's better. So I'm going to try this one, okay. This is one of the workbench. They have other more big. I'm going to make the review of that too, but now it's this is little, and I think I'm going to love it. So let's open this and see how it's inside, and it's easy to build it, okay. So let's open, and they put this very nice, okay, as you can see. I'm going to make the review too of the new handle for the oil brushes, okay. Okay, and as you can see, we got here these ones, okay. This is created by Hobbie from Poland, okay. They are very nice guys. They make these stuff very nice, okay. So let me put this on the box, okay. And this one don't bring any instructions, but I think for this we don't need any instructions, okay. So it's here, it's very easy to see it, okay. We are going to need glue for this, okay. It's going to be something like this, okay. Let me see, like this. Right, and then let me see if their cuts are equals. No, so you must put the more large up and the other down, okay. Let me see if this on these grooves, okay. When it's nice, let me try this one, okay. I'm not using any glue at the moment. And as you can see, without the glue, this is very nice, okay. So let me see, something like this, and this one, okay. It's very nice to put this here, okay. So you can put something like this, okay. Now let's put this back, okay. Let me see, it's going to be something like this, and then when we apply the glue, it's going to be strong, okay. The joints are very nice, and then we must glue on the base, okay. And we got this built very quickly. I'm going only to put white glue, okay, and it's ready to go. You can put this or use, let me grab some of this. If you are chipping, you can put your chipping effects, okay, tunnel lines, okay. It's nice to have here, okay. And when it's glue, you can go with this where you want. Let me see. I have here these brushes from Umbro. I like it very well, so let me see if I can put here these ones. Number 2, nice. Number 1, nice. 0, okay. I can put this here. I have some of these brushes, okay, so it's very nice to work on this. I got my little ones for pushing, nice, okay, and it's not, I think it's nice. Even if I want to put here, no, don't go there, okay. So this little one, it's all around, but the rest, I think it's good to work, and as you can see, it's a nice thing to have on your bench, guys, okay. So thank you very much to see this review. I hope you like it. As you can see on Mig products, you can see the top what we are using, and it's very nice to use this, okay. So thank you very much for watching. I see you on the next video, okay guys. Thank you.